Well, hello. Welcome to the first cooking segment of Cooking with the Boyz ENT by yours truly, the Boyz.
Stop.
When I drip, you gon' drown. I took your lip and your frown.
Yo, what's up, man? This is our first segment with Cooking with the Boyz ENT, man. You see, we got everything here for y'all. And we making hot Cheeto chicken today, man. Everybody been running up to us saying, yo, the Boyz ENT need to do this, need to drop that. So we gonna try to have a video for y'all every week, man. But we got the hot Cheeto chicken going on right now. We got the flour, you know what I'm saying? We got your seasoning, your oil, you know what I'm saying? My man's holding up this little ranch, this is a little secret, but we got the eggs and we got the chicken. We got the chicken. TJ, what a chicken? Huh? How you thought I had it? TJ, we gotta go to Walmart? How we get everything but the chicken? Come on!
My bad, bro.
3 hours later.
Hey, y'all got chicken?
Yeah, man, we got the chicken.
Thank God, damn, I wanted that.
My bad.
Alright, man, we got the chicken for the hot Cheeto chicken, man. Now we can get started with this video, and we're gonna catch up with y'all, let y'all see this process, man. Let's get to it. Alright, man, first up in making this hot Cheeto chicken, you know you gotta have the first ingredient, the chicken. You know what I'm saying? We gotta clean this bad boy. So all you need is your natural white meat chicken. We got drumsticks for right now. So I'm gonna place these boys in the sink or whatever. Alright, so y'all know you gotta clean the chicken, man. You just can't buy raw meat and don't clean it, man.
I hear all my girls.
Make sure y'all always do that, man. Always clean your chicken. And this part of the chicken is the fat, man. But I like to keep it on because it adds flavor.
What?
Disgusting.
So that's what we're gonna do right now. Clean the chicken off. And now the favorite part, seasoning. You know what I'm saying? We got our lemon pepper seasoning right here. If y'all not a big fan, y'all can really get, whatever tastes good to y'all. But over here we like a little lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna sprinkle a little of that on there. We got the Cajun style seasoning, kingofr&b. I know y'all heard of that. Get a little bit of dash, you know what I mean? Alright. And we got a little, little universal season salt right here, man. It's like paprika, a little Lowry, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you like on your chicken, you know what I'm saying? Feel free to get that. But this is definitely what we're using over here. You know what I'm saying? You want to rub it in the seasoning. Rub in the seasoning, man, over here. Make sure all the chicken, the whole leg gets some love, man. All that.
So we in here, finna get. You can't make the hot Cheeto chicken without crushing up the hot Cheeto. You hear me? So we finna crush these hot Cheetos up like this. You hear me? So first you got to take that little top like this. All right. Let's open the bag. So since we ain't got no crusher or nothing like that, I'm gonna be the crusher, you heard? Oh shit. Oh damn, I done busted. That let y'all niggas know that y'all shouldn't mess with me because y'all got no hand. You heard? But alright. Be sane with it now. Somebody in the party. Oh, Jesus. Excuse me, one of my homeboys in party. This ain't. Woo! So after all that extra drink I just did, the crunchy dang chip, we done finally got it done. So now, I'm about to finna whisk up the egg, you heard me? Let's get to it.
Alright, now step 3. All we're gonna do is take a couple eggs, whisk it up so we can put the chicken in, put the flour in, the hot Cheeto, then in the grease. We get to it. We're working here now. We're working now. Oh. Alright, let's get the whisk. Show y'all how to whip the pot, you know what I'm saying? Oh, snap. Gotta get that like that. It's all about the wrist, you know.
In the kitchen, bitch, I wanna win.
You know, you want to make sure you get real good, you know, you don't want to, yeah. Hey, you hear me that salt and pepper real quick? Salt and pepper. Alright, now you done whisk the, whisk. Alright, now that you done whisk the eggs, time to put the chicken in the flour, and then the flour in the eggs, and then the chicken in the hot Cheeto. You don't know how I go?
No! Chicken, egg, flour, Cheeto. Put the chicken on the eggs, and the chicken in the flour, and the chicken in the Cheeto, and then we out.
No, you said
You the chicken in the flour, eggs in the flour, and put the eggs in the grease.
No, you said flour in the eggs.
Alright, now that you got the eggs whisked up, it's called whisk. Whisk.
Yeah.
Alright, now that you got your eggs whisked up,
Just say nah. See, nah.
now you got your eggs stirred up.
Yeah.
Now you got your eggs stirred up. It's on to the next step. Hey look, due to the technical difficulties, we're gonna have to skip to the next step. Sorry for the inconvenience, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. God dang it, I'm too tired.
After all that, step 4, man, this is what we came up with, man. Y'all take a look at that, man. That's a beauty right there. Look at my hands, man. But look, on to step 5, we're gonna drop it in this grease, man. Go and get it popping. We're gonna tell y'all how to take it. We out.
We finna move on. Step number 5, man. Finna go and drop this chicken, man, and tell y'all how it tastes, man. So, let's get to it. First piece. Ooh, you see that look? Ooh. Let's go and drop that joint, man. Ah.
Let me smell like fish.
So y'all looking at it. Huh? Huh? You don't want none of this. So while the chicken going, you feel me? Might as well have a damn burger. Turn them tunes, TJ. Dip.
Dip, 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 lean swag, dip, lean swag, dip, lean swag, dip, lean swag, dip, 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 lean swag, dip, lean. It can go two ways. I am going to fuck, then I am going to dip, or I am going to fuck, then I am going to dip. Ayy! Dip, 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 lean swag, dip, lean swag, dip, lean swag, dip, lean swag.
Alright, so look, we done making the chicken. Let me just let y'all.
Time to taste test this thing, baby. Show them the chicken, baby.
Ooh.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Let's do it. Woo. Don't dig in, I guess.
Wait. Oh.
Let me tell you how it is. Pretty little bit.
What's up, man?
I think gonna taste like crap. I ain't even gonna count to you. You feel me? But we gonna see what's going on.
I don't know. That been my head low key. You go ahead.
Great. That fat, thick booty ass piece.
Chicken, man. We ain't that old like chicken though. Ah.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Gotcha, bitch.
Come on, you eat chicken. Woo. I don't think no hot.
Oh my God, I'm hot to you.
I don't think no hot. I'm gonna keep reading that for you.
Yeah, I don't take no hot shit though.
Can't love that shit. It's just like.
You cow.
Oh shit!
But it's what I done is. So I guess we're gonna give our honest opinions over there.
We fucked up.
Start with TJ.
We fucked up. We fucked up.
Start with TJ. Give your honest opinion how you felt it tasted. I mean, hold on. How you think it tasted?
We fucked up. What do you think?
He good to hear me eat that bit like he did last off.
Man, this shit just tastes like chicken.
Yeah, it tastes like hot Cheeto.
Like, I'm gonna give it a bad, man.
This shit taste like chicken.
We don't take no hot Cheetos.
This right here, bro. This taste like ass, fo. I don't care what none of these niggas talking
We should put
about.
some hot sauce on that thing.
This shit taste like
We
dope.
should put some hot sauce on that
I'm
thing.
talking about straight dope.
We should put some hot sauce on that thing. We should put some hot sauce on that thing. We should put some hot sauce on the thing.
Bro, comment down below if you think y'all eat this.
We should put some hot sauce on that thing.
Let me know if y'all would eat this shit. Ah, you thought I was gonna bite it then, and this shit not
We should
good.
put some hot sauce on that thing.
I think we need some more Lowry.
On that thing.
I think we need some more slick.
Hey, man. We should just. I don't take no real, no hot Cheetos.
No real.
Ain't no little spice to it. Ain't no tang to it. It just taste like chicken.
We
tried it, man.
It just not taste like chicken, bro.
The boys ENT, we.
I bit into a hard ass rubber duck.
The boys ENT, we ain't
Crunchy ass, rubbery ass piece of
We
chicken.
didn't do how we thought we did, but
We back again next week with another
No,
video.
we're not. It is not gonna be an eating challenge.
Another cooking video.
And this concludes our cooking segment with the boys.
Sight
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
I ain't never do no eating challenge.
You said white, nigga?
Don't ever comment down below. Don't even comment. I ain't been do no eating challenges. They gonna be they jump. Cause I'm finna be sick. You feel me? They did one net right here. They just one net right here.
Like, comment, subscribe. We out.
When I drip, you gon' drown. I took your lip in your frown.